inaendelea vizuri sana hapa Mumias, na mnavyoona sasa hivi tuko na stadium ambayo iko to capacity. Unaona kwamba sasa hivi so far we have almost 45,000 people in the stadium, and we are even expecting more. Our guests have started trickling in. Tayari tuko na wabunge kutoka eneo zote, tuko na Senator Cheriot, tuko na Senator Murkomen na wengine ambao wamefika katika area hii. We are expecting so many guests. I invited, this being a football tournament, I invited every Kenyan across the political divide. I invited members of the ANC party, members of the Ford Kenya party, members of the UDA party, members of the ODM party, and all political friends that we have, because sports inatuunite sisi wote. But also this is going to be a turning point for our community. Mnavyojua kwamba leo kuna mikutano miwili. Sisi tumesema we are tired of supporting people who do not reciprocate by supporting us. Mnaona vizuri sana sisi kama jamii ya Waluya tumekuwa tukisupport watu wengine kwa muda mrefu. And today we want to count our numbers. Today expect here more than 25 Luya MPs here. We also want to count how many MPs will be in Buhungu Stadium. All this is just to ensure that we bring back the Luya consciousness. Kwamba tunataka tujitambue. We want to make a decision as a community that we shall no longer be making mistakes again as a community. So I have my colleague here from Kericho. We associate beyond political affiliations, and he has come to support me. Karibu sana. I invited President Uhuru Kenyatta to come. I have invited Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga to come to this event. I have invited William Ruto to come. Musalia Mudavadi, Wetangula, even you, I have invited you. So mwenye atakuja ndio atakuwa mgeni. Mwenye atakuja basi sasa tafanyaje bwana? Mimi nimeinvite wa Kenya wote wakuja hapa. Atuoli is not a voter in Kakamega County. Atuoli votes in Kajiado County. And therefore we cannot purport to come and impose leaders on us. We all know that Article 1 of the Constitution is very clear, that the sovereignty of the people of Kenya lies with the people. And therefore us, we shall be depending on the people, and Atuoli will not micromanage the voters of Kakamega County. Times have changed, man. Saa hii uongozi uko kwa vijana. So mambo ya kutisha watu kila wakati kwamba tusipoenda upande yako utatupatia laana. Some of us, we can convert those curses into blessings Atuoli. So usikue mtu wa kutisha watu kila wakati.